Today we are proud to present the Yaskawa Motoman GP180-120 robot, available for purchase for $90,000. Conveniently located in Metro Detroit, this advanced piece of machinery is ready to ship immediately. Automate America transcends the role of mere service marketplace, and we actively promote your products and services. From individual robots to complete turnkey manufacturing and assembly systems to comprehensive automation training programs, we are your partner in progress. The Yaskawa Motoman GP180 with the YRC 1000 controller is a material handling robot with exceptional capabilities. It boasts a load capacity of 120 kilograms, a horizontal reach of 3,058 millimeters, and a vertical reach extended to 4,105 millimeters with the included 460 millimeter riser. This robot is designed to meet the rigorous demands of high payload handling with extended reach and flexibility. In collaboration with Robotics training in Alabama and my PLC training online courses, Automate America ensures that you have access to the best educational resources in the industry. We also partner with Hiscox Business Insurance to provide comprehensive coverage for automation contractors and service companies. Additionally, Automate America offers flexible space available at our Troy, Michigan office. And we are actively seeking 13 Kuka Robotics programmers as well as Siemens and Fanuc engineers to join our dynamic team. For more information about this remarkable robot, as well as the links to our training programs and other opportunities, please click the links in the description of this post or email us at info@automateamerica.com today to learn more about these exciting opportunities. Embrace the future of automation with Automate America, where mindful innovation meets practical profitability. Have a great day. Thank you for your time.